welcome at our channel. So in last video हमने पढ़ा था अब
food and digestion.
मम्मा, और इस वीडियो में आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं about food and its preservation.
Preservation and its methods. Okay.
मम्मा, मैं बहुत हेल्दी हूँ.
Okay. So how you are healthy?
क्योंकि मैं एकदम मोटा हूँ.
अरे मोटा होना हेल्दी नहीं होता बेटा.
क्यों मम्मा?
Health is a different thing.
अच्छा मम्मा, तो आप मुझे बता सकते हो हेल्थ क्या होता है?
Of course. Come. Okay, so health is the state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of diseases. सिर्फ एक चीज का नाम हेल्थ नहीं है. Not only physical, mental also, social also. If the diseases are not present in you, that is also all combinedly. This is not. This is we can say this is the healthy condition. Not only कि तुम ये कह दो कि मैं मोटा हूँ तो I am healthy. This is not the health. Okay, so health is this thing, and we should stay healthy. And how we should stay healthy? You know, we should stay healthy. So what should we do? We have to eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly, consume adequate amount of water, and get enough rest. So thus in this way, we can stay healthy always.
Spoilage चीज है.
Spoilage is the process by which food decays and becomes unfit for human consumption. मतलब जो फूड खराब हो जाता है, हम लोग उसको खा नहीं सकते, ह्यूमन कंजम्पशन के लायक नहीं रहता है, that is food spoilage. Okay, and perishable foods are foods that cannot be stored for a long time and which gets spoiled easily are called perishable foods. Okay, and worms, insects, bugs, they may sit on or enter the food that is left uncovered and spoil it. And microorganisms may grow on food and spoil it. Microorganisms जो होते हैं such as bacteria and fungi, they can spoil the food. है ना? If we left the food uncovered ना, so they can sit on them, they can enter on the food and they can destroy or spoil that food. Foul smell comes from spoiled food. You can smell sometimes. Foul smell आती है ना तुम्हें? Microorganisms, they require warmth and moisture for multiplication. मतलब उनको grow करने के लिए warmth चाहिए, moisture चाहिए. So food spoils more easily in warm places. जो गर्म places होते हैं ना, गर्म जगह होते हैं, वहां पे ज्यादा वो easily grow करते हैं microorganisms. It spoils faster during summer as microorganisms grow rapidly in warm weather, and in rainy seasons as microorganisms gets this moist condition during the monsoon. मतलब मॉनसून में और समर सीजन में वार्मथ भी रहती है, मॉइस्ट कंडीशन रहती है, तो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स इजीली और रैपिडली ग्रो करते हैं एंड दे कैन स्पॉइल फूड वेरी इजीली एंड फास्टर. ओके, सो दिस इज द फूड स्पॉइलेज. गॉट इट?
यस मम्मा. माँ, पर मैंने तो देखा है कि ना बहुत लोग फूड को ऐसी सड़क पर फेंक देते हैं, डस्टबिन में डाल देते हैं, और बहुत से लोग तो पता है एक्स्ट्रा खाना लेते हैं और उसे फेंक देते हैं.
राइट, मैरिजेस में स्पेशली. तो हमको उन लोगों को मना करना चाहिए कि जितना तुम फूड खा सकते हो उतना ही लो, अदरवाइज डोंट वेस्ट द फूड. दूसरों को भी मना करना चाहिए और एटलीस्ट हमको तो हमारा खुद का ध्यान रखना चाहिए. यू ऑल्सो केयर, यू शुड ऑल्सो केयर अबाउट दिस थिंग, है ना. डोंट वेस्ट फूड. जितना खाना है उतना ही आप लो, अदरवाइज एक्स्ट्रा रिमेनिंग फूड यू डोंट हैव टू वेस्ट, है ना. Because other especially the poor needy people, they need food, so don't waste your food at least, है ना.
अच्छा मम्मा, आपसे मैं कभी भी इतना सा भी फूड वेस्ट नहीं करूंगा.
So let's talk about food preservation. The process by which food is prevented from spoiling or rotting is called food preservation. So in this, what we should we do, we just preserve the food so that we can prevent it from spoiling. फूड को प्रिजर्व किया जाता है, सेफ रखा जाता है ताकि वो ज्यादा टाइम तक चल सके. उसमें माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स की ग्रोथ कम से कम हो और ज्यादा से ज्यादा फूड ज्यादा टाइम तक यूज किया जा सके. So this is the food preservation. In this, keeping food safe, fresh and edible for a longer time by stopping the growth of germs like bacteria, fungi and slowing down spoilage. Food preservation, easily you can say it means protecting the food from spoilage. Okay? And why we preserve the food? Why? To prevent the spoilage, to store food for future use, to keep food safe to eat, and to maintain taste, color, and nutrients. So we preserve the food. We use so many methods for preserving the food. So next we will discuss about the methods of preserving food. Okay. So the methods of preservations are, first is freezing. Freezing is a food preservation method where food is stored at extremely low temperature. मतलब बहुत कम temperature देते हैं और food को preserve करते हैं. And microorganisms like bacteria and fungi cannot survive at extremely low temperatures. Hence, keeping food in the refrigerator or in a deep freezer prevents it from getting spoiled. मतलब low temperature पे microbes they can't grow और हमारा फूड स्पॉइल नहीं होता है इजीली. फूड्स सच एज लाइक मीट, फिश, fruits, vegetables and packaged food are preserved by this method. मतलब इस मेथड से इन सब फ्रूट्स को हम प्रिजर्व करते हैं. Some foods such as peas are frozen to preserve their taste and nutrition. So this is the freezing method.
Go.
So the food is stored at extremely low temperature in freezing and food can be stored. Next method is boiling. Boiling food at high temperature destroys microorganisms that can spoil food. Water and milk are generally boiled to kill harmful organisms that may be present in it. Means जब हम food को boil करते हैं high temperature भी क्या होता है कि microbes जो हैं they can't grow easily. So we can prevent food from this method also.
Go.
Pasteurization is the process by which heat is applied to food and beverages to kill disease-causing microorganisms. They are pathogens and extend its shelf life. Shelf life is the time period for which a food product can be consumed. In the 19th century, microbiologist Louis Pasteur discovered this method of preserving milk. So this is known as the pasteurization. This method is used in dairies to keep milk free from microorganisms without affecting its taste, texture, and nutritional value. In this, what happens? Milk is heated at a very high temperature, then cooled immediately. The sudden change of temperature destroys the harmful microorganisms without destroying the nutrients present in milk. So this is the Pasteurizer discovered a method of preserving milk. This method is called the pasteurization. What happens in this? This method is used in dairies to keep milk free from microorganisms without affecting its taste, texture, and nutritional value. What happened in this? Milk is heated at a very high temperature, then cooled immediately. The sudden change of temperature destroys the harmful microorganism without destroying the nutrients present in the milk. मतलब मिल्क एज इट इज रहता है, उसके न्यूट्रिएंट्स प्रेजेंट रहते हैं, ओनली हार्मफुल माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म जो होते हैं वो किल हो जाते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज द मेथड ऑफ पास्चराइजेशन. सो नेक्स्ट मेथड इज ड्राइंग और डिहाइड्रेशन. It is the oldest method for food preservation. The method of drying involves the removal of all water from foods. मतलब सारा जो उसका वाटर है उसमें से निकाल देते हैं फूड में से, and then we preserve. Some foods are dried in the sun or passed through the hot air. As water is one of the main requirements for microorganisms to grow, so removal of water by drying helps in preventing the growth of microorganisms, thus helping in food preservation. Means जब water निकल जाता है तो microorganisms they can't grow, है ना? तो foods like wheat है, rice and pulses, they are generally dried under papad, soya chunks, dried apples, and dried plums. There are some example of dried preserved food, है ना? So this is the method of drying or dehydration, removal of water from the food. Okay. Okay. Next method is. So the next method is canning. What happens in this? This method, food substances they are stored in sterile cans or jars and then sealed. The sealed cans are then heated to destroy microorganisms that can cause food to spoil. Okay, food substances there like jam, fish, fruit, and vegetables, they are generally canned and sold in the market. So this is the process of canning. What happens in this? What happens in canning? Food. So the canning is the process in which food substances they are stored in sterile cans and jars and then sealed. Okay, this is canning. So next method is pickling. In this, food preservatives like salt, sugar, and vinegar, that is acid, are sometimes added to prevent food from spoiling. Microorganisms, they can't live in a sugary or salty solution. So we use this method for preserving the food. Vegetables and fruits, they are pickled and preserved using salt, sugar, or vinegar. In this, what happens? Adding sugar or adding salt, we can use sugar and salt.
Go.
So the adding sugar, what happens in this? After removing water from the fruits, a large amount of sugar is added to make jams and jellies, this kind of foods. Adding sugar checks the growth of microorganisms and preserves the flavor and color of the fruits. Means color और उसका flavor same रहता है. And what happens if we add too much of sugar in these kinds of foods, the microorganisms, they can't grow. And next, in adding salt, salt absorbs water from the foods, making the food too dry to support the growth of harmful mold or bacteria. Means salt क्या करता है? Water, food में जितना भी water है वो सब कुछ absorb कर लेता है, बहुत dry हो जाता है food, जिससे bacteria and molds they can't grow. Some foods that are preserved by adding salt are fish, meat, poultry, and raw fruits like mango. Use of oils in pickles prevents food from coming into contact with microorganisms in the air. Means air में जो microbes present है ना, if you put oil in pickles ना, what happens? The microbes they can't come in contact with the pickles. Okay, so they can't grow and they can't spoil the food. Glass jars and bottles are dried before pickling to prevent the spoilage of pickles stored in them. If there is any water present in the jar, what will happen? It will be absorbed by the pickles and they will spoil easily. So, हमेशा pickling के पहले we have to clean the jars, glass jars and bottles, and we have to dry them. है ना? So, this is the method of pickling. So, next method is vacuum packing. What happens in this method? It involves packing food substances in airtight packets. As oxygen required for the growth of microorganisms that is not available in the air packets, so the food remains preserved. है ना? Food items like meat, cheese, and some vegetables are preserved by this method. So, what happens in vacuum packing? Packing food substances in airtight packets. इसमें क्या करते हैं? ऑक्सीजन को रिमूव करते हैं, then airtight packets में food substance को पैक करते हैं. This is vacuum packing. The next method of preservation is by adding preservatives. What happens in this method? So the preservatives, they are chemical substances that are used to increase the shelf life and prohibit the spoilage of different foods. So ये chemical जो होते हैं, जो different foods हैं, उनके spoilage को, उनके सड़ने को, खराब होने को बचाते हैं. Some common food preservatives used are sorbates, calcium and sodium sorbate, benzoates and nitrates. These are chemicals, है ना? These are known as chemical preservatives. They prevent the growth of microorganisms and maintain the quality of food. Means food की quality maintain रहती है और इन chemicals से जो microorganisms है they can't grow in food. Okay, so this is the method of adding preservatives.
मामा अब मुझे सब समझ आ गया है what is food and its preservation methods.
Okay, good.
So guys, आप आई होप कि आपको भी समझ आ गया होगा. सो हम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में विद अ न्यू टॉपिक. टिल देन बाय. डू रिमेंबर लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर.